Hi Scott, this is Dan Breedlove at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. The video you requested. I'm sorry this is taking so long. My first attempt failed for some reason. I'm not exactly sure why. But sometimes these cameras work in them and it can end up a little shaky. There's the tires right there. View of the vehicle. The tires, like I talked to you earlier, they're not factory, I don't believe. They're Michelin X. I would put them at 95% plus. Bear with me. Interior is immaculate. Well, what I would consider to be immaculate. I'm not that picky of a guy, but I can certainly tell when something's been abused, and this vehicle is not. 20,000 miles. I'll show you the back here. Rear, and it's always kind of weird doing these videos in the sunlight because really the only thing you can see in the camera is your face from the reflection. Back in, the bed mat's nice and clean on it. Still has the composite cover that I guess looks as though it appears as though it kind of flip folds. These seats are, and I'm sure you're very well attuned to this car. Those seats are 80-20 or 40-20-40 split in the back, so I'm not seeing any little door dings at all. The proverbial Safeway shopping cart rash. There you go. It's been through our shop, so we've changed the oil, we've done a service on it and a safety inspection on the brakes and all the mechanical, and I hope this helps you with your decision making. I think it's a nice car and I think it's worth coming up and seeing. Thanks, Scott.